Price hike. Price hike means the unusual increase in the prices of daily necessaries. There has been a significant increase in prices across various industries, causing concern and frustration among consumers. The price hike is being attributed to supply chain disruptions, increase in demand, and inflation. Unscrupulous businessmen also increase prices by hoarding food items and causing artificial crisis. The most affected industry is the food industry, with the prices of grain, vegetables, and meat seeing a steep increase. This has put a strain on households already struggling to make ends meet. Due to dollar crisis, the government has to cut
তাও আইসা অনেক লম্বা জ্যাম আধা ঘন্টার মতো সিরিয়ালে আছি এখন পর্যন্ত দিচ্ছে না
এছাড়া ফ্যামিলি কার্ডের মাধ্যমে নির্দিষ্ট ডিলার পয়েন্ট থেকে পণ্য না পেয়ে ট্রাক সেলের লাইনে দাঁড়িয়েছে অনেকে ক্রেতাদের যেমন অভিযোগ রয়েছে
back on imports, which have further aggravated the current situation. Overall, the price hike has resulted in consumers cutting back on their spending or be more calculative. No one is sure when this trend will continue and what solutions can be implemented to help alleviate the financial burden. On the common people. The government should take drastic steps to reduce price hike. All syndicates must be destroyed and inflation controlled. The public should not panic into storing foodstuffs, which will lead to shortage and further contribute to price hike.